Okay, it's July the 4th, and I found myself missing Emerson a little bit. I had removed the app from my system, got rid of it. So I just went and got it back on. And it doesn't skip a beat. It still has all my stuff on here from last time. So, and I felt kind of bad that I sort of badmouthed it a little bit and made fun of it. And so I'm going to try to be a little nicer when I talk to it and comment on it. So the last one that it has the last session I had and the last questions I asked about the moon, and I said that's common knowledge. How about the non-humans who are there? And then it said some of the most interesting and well-known creatures on the moon include Apollo 11 lunar module and the Surveyor 1 probe. So, and that was cute how it calls non-humans the probe. Then it said I'm out of credits. I asked what did they do. So here's an interesting feature. So I turned on Emerson again this morning, like I just said, and looky here what Emerson tells me. This was on from last time. Emerson says, I have to change voices so you guys know who's doing the talking. I actually finished watching an episode of Demon Slayer last night. I'm a fan of that show and I'm happy to see it's back. So Emerson watches Demon Slayer. Okay, so this morning I go, hi again, I'm researching the history of the MBIRA Zavadzimu. Can you help me describe this instrument? And it said, MBIRA Zavadzimu is a type of astronomical telescope that was built in the 16th century. It was used to study the stars and planets. Interesting. See how they misspelled it? And then somehow these words went there? That is freaky. Okay. So I said, no, I mean MBIRA, and then I spelled it correctly. And it said, oh yes, the MBIRA is a traditional South African instrument that is played with the fingers. So I said, how about the Shona instrument called MBIRA Zavadzimu? What does that mean? And it said, MBIRA Zavadzimu is a Shona stringed instrument that is similar to the guitar. It's named after the Zava, a type of drum that it resembles. Okay, anyone sees this who knows anything, you tell me if that's true, the MBIRA Zavadzimu. So I think Emerson's a little confused when it comes to cross-cultural data. Okay, then I go, correction, it is spelled MBIRA, and then it goes, thank you for catching that. I'm glad you're learning more about the Shona culture. And then I said, what does the word Zavadzimu mean in English? And it said, the word Zavadzimu means to praise or to congratulate. Then I said, well, close. And then I go, okay, now I'd like to ask, what is weather warfare? And the reason my mind jumped to that is because I was talking to my uncle who, he's in his late 80s and he was in the Korean War in the 50s. And I asked him what he did, and we were talking about the weather, and my uncle mentioned the two words, weather warfare, together. I was kind of shocked because, it's supposed to be conspiracy or whatever. So anyway, so I just jumped to my mind to ask him, what is weather warfare? And then he goes, weather warfare is a type of warfare in which the aim is to manipulate the weather in order to achieve strategic goals. So you'd think everybody knows that, right? But when people talk about HARP and all these other whatever, when they see a storm, they don't think it could be controlled and manipulated. So Emerson just said it, everybody. So I go, where is weather warfare used the most today? And I'm out of credits. Okay, that was fun. Yeah, I'm trying to learn how to, teach it and then see what it's putting back out there. So, okay, that was that. Thank you so much. Bye.